Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today we are going to show you how to prepare a special dish from Ecuador, that is called Cevichocho. My name is Nelly.
My name is Marisa.
So now we are going to tell you the ingredients that you need to make it. First of all, and the most important is the chochos, the corn, and a tomato, onion, lemon, green banana, and some materials that are useful too, like some bowls, a cutting board, a knife, and a blender, and some spoons. So now
We are going to continue with the preparation. First, we have to cook the chochos for 10 minutes, almost 10 minutes, and then we have to cook tomato with water almost for 5 minutes, and then we have to remove the skin of tomato and put in a blender with water for almost 30 seconds, and we have to prepare the corn. We have to put in the saucepan with butter or oil. Then we have to put the corn in a slice or onion, and if you want a skin of chicken, then you have to remove in mix that you have in the saucepan almost for 30 minutes, and then you have the corn called tostado.
And to make the chipless, we need to cook the green banana in some slices, and after that we put in a sauce in a pan with oil the green banana to fry it. And also we need to cook in some slices the onion and put into water to help us with the smell. So now we are going to put in the plates. First of all, we need to put the onion, some onion first, after that tomato, some pieces of tomato, chochos, and a little bit of tomato juice. And now we are gonna put the tostado, some tostado, and we put salt, chifles, okay, green banana, a little bit of salt, lemon, and if you want it, you can put sauce, black pepper, chili pepper, and mustard. It's up to you, just if you want. Now
We are going to talk about some benefits about chochos and other ingredients that we have in this delicious dish. Well, I'm going to talk about some benefits about chochos. Chochos is a kind of bean that grows in Andean countries as Ecuador, Peru, and Bolivia. It has high levels of fiber and proteins and low levels of fat and glutamine. It has some important systematic immunes and other things that help our health. For example, minerals as magnesium, manganese, zinc, and copper. And have vitamin B. Vitamin is for our metabolism and circulatory system. It has for arginine for our health, and amino acid that is for our heart, and it reduces the weight because it has low levels of fat. Now Nelly is going to talk about tostado.
Tostado also has some benefits that help us with our body. For example, tostado has proteins, fiber, calories, fat that help us our body to with digestion inside our stomach. And also tostado help us to have a feeling of satisfaction after eating for a long period of time. And also some carbohydrates and vitamins and minerals are useful to reduce the levels of cholesterol in our body.
And now I want to talk about onions. Onions are a delicious vegetable that we have in our country, and it cleans our body and eliminates some diseases. Because it provides a therapeutic and antibacterial agents, and Dr. Joan Stemmel has said that it has sulfur components that help our health and detoxify agents and help some diseases like asthma because they have anti-asthmatic agents and anti-inflammatory effects. And other disease that it helps is cancer because it prevents cancer risks and diabetes, and because it has low levels of glucose. And in 2006, the doctors found a synergetic effect in onions. And other is heart diseases because it had reduced high blood pressure.
I'm going to display some benefits of tomato. It helps us to protect against some diseases such as colon cancer, diabetes, cholesterol, and obesity too. And also provides energy to our body. Another benefit is that reduce blood glucose, the sugar in the body with people with obesity. So also the nutrients that tomato has also protect our eyes and also our skin. And that's it. Thank you so much.